Hello, boys and girls. We read the story called The Rainbowfish by Marcus Pfister, and so we're gonna make a little rainbow fish today. For this craft, you need a pair of scissors, glue, either glue stick, glue bottle. I have this little mini glue bottle, a coffee filter. It can be any size, preferably white coffee filter, and a spray bottle that you fill with a little bit of water, and some tin foil. Now the tin foil is the rainbow fish's shiny scale. So if you don't have tin foil at home, you could just use glitter if you have glitter. You also need a little piece of construction paper. That's gonna be where you make his fins and his mouth and his tail. Okay, so the fun part is to use markers. Oh, you do need markers as well. You need markers, not permanent markers because they won't spread. You're gonna put colors all over your coffee filter. Now I've already started that. I'm gonna add a little bit more. You can still have white spots. It doesn't really matter because the water, when you spray it, is gonna spread the color out. So I'm adding just a few more dots of glue here and there. Okay, now, once you're all done coloring your filter, your white circle, you're gonna spray it. Now you need to put another piece of paper underneath because it's gonna get messy, and that's the fun part. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna spray it. Oop, before it blows away. Sorry, windy day. It would be nice to do it outside just so that the messiness stays outside. So as I spray it, the marker spreads. Kind of pretty. So you can see it kind of runs all over, the marker runs all over, and it makes your rainbow fish. Then you're gonna let it set up to dry. You can set it inside or outside, probably faster outside in the sun. So now, I already did that earlier, so to speed this up, I wanted to show you. I made one. And so now that my coffee filter is dry, and it's all rainbowy, I'm going to add an eye. So I took a black marker. If you have googly eye, you could do that too. And I just made a little oval shape for his eye. And then I'm gonna add a sparkly scale. So I'm gonna use my tin foil, put a little bit of glue on it. Just put some glue and then stick it wherever you want. But now my fish needs its body parts. So to make his body parts, I'll show you so far. To make his body parts, I'm going to use some construction paper, but if you don't have construction paper, just take either a white piece of paper and color it with marker or any colored paper. And I'm gonna make a mouth. Now to make a mouth, I kind of just made a heart shape. I'll show you. Kind of a heart shape. And then I'm gonna cut that out. And then I've got some triangles for fins. I'm just gonna use the edges. Just triangles for some top and bottom or dorsal and pectoral fins. And then I'm gonna make a tail. To make the tail, I'm just gonna kind of use the edge. Another triangle, you could just make another triangle. So I'm gonna cut those pieces out. Hopefully they don't blow away. Maybe I'll just glue it on as I cut it. Here's my tail. Now I'm gonna take my glue, stick some glue on the back. Ooh, it got wet. And stick it on. Bam. I should do it the other way. Oh boy. Then I'm gonna make my fins. And maybe I'll do the mouth next. No, do this quickly. You could even have an adult make the shapes for you, and then you just cut them out. There goes the wind. Corona wind. Now I'm gonna put some glue on the mouth, stick it underneath. So now I have a mouth and a tail. Now I'm gonna add some fins because fish need fins to swim. So I'm gonna cut out these fins. Boom. 2 triangles. And put a little glue on them. Let's see here. Put some glue down. That's a little fin. Stick it underneath at the top and bottom. And there you have a little rainbow fish. I'll hold it up. Hopefully you can see okay. You're gonna need to let the glue dry a little bit. These filters are really thin. There's a cute little rainbow fish. So enjoy.